I'm up in Michigan, and I guess we can see that Detroit's written down here. That's where all of the population is, down in the corner. I'm way up in the opposite direction with a resort area up in northern Michigan where everybody comes to play, and I get to live here. It's a great place. We love it here. I wanted to open up possibilities. Limits and obstacles drive me crazy. And so when I found a process that was easier and better and more efficient, then I was on it. And so the tools that I create and the tools that I use and the methods that I use have a heavy dose of safety in them, and to do it the safest way possible. Because I have a robust, and you can have a robust live center too if you really want one, in my website. But one of the key things about the robust live center is it's got a big hunkin' 3/8 inch pin here, and it's got a set screw that I can adjust the height of that pin. So that pin is for something small like this, is strong enough to hold it. I usually wouldn't hog off with something like this, but now that I've got most of the detail done, I can use this to hold this with, and it gives me access. The rest of the live center's not in my way. The pin is sticking out proud to give me some room to maneuver and promote it on your social media, if you will, and pass the good word that we're doing the job up here, and we'll see you in a few weeks.